Hey everyone, I wanted to take some time to walk through the Blockcircle Alpha Hunter Telegram bot. So at a high level, when you start it, you just click menu, click start, and if it shows what you see here on the screen, then it's correctly set up and you have access to everything. And if it doesn't show this, then the most likely explanation is that your Telegram ID doesn't match what you have as a username inputted into your blockcircle.com profile. So if you try to log into blockcircle.com and you have the wrong password, try to reset it or try single sign-on authentication. So if you had subscribed via Apple single sign-on login or Google login or Facebook login, etc., then that's the most likely explanation if you're not able to reset your password. And if not, just please send me a note and I'll take care of it. So, or your subscription's expired and you just have to renew. So there's no problem with that. So the three things that are currently being tracked with the Alpha Hunter Telegram bot is that 2 token launches. So these are all new projects that our Alpha Hunter group of algorithms has scouted and screened and vetted and reviewed very thoroughly to try to pick just a few projects a day that are potentially promising, that multiple insiders and whales and prominent profitable traders, market makers, etc., are buying, that pass hundreds of conditions that we've set and that we've statistically predicted could do well after launch, right? So after being identified. So that's token launches. And then for tokens listed, it's all tokens that are just listed on centralized exchanges. And then the last one, which I think is up there with the token launches being just as valuable, even more valuable, is tokens that are announced to be listed on prominent exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Qcoin, etc. And this is the earliest possible indication that a project is going to be listed. So for now, all you do is click token launches. If you want to subscribe, click predefined alerts and then click which alert you want. And all you do is you click it, then you click where do you want the destination? Where do you want the alert to come through? Is it in this chat or somewhere else? And then if you want to do the same for tokens listed, you do the exact same thing. You just click predefined alerts and you choose which one you want. If you want to set up custom alerts, click token launches, click custom alerts, and then here you can choose which blockchain you want. So let's click Ethereum, we'll click continue, and then you can choose every possible permutation or combination of variables you could imagine. So there's hundreds of conditions you can choose from here. And like you can look at whale composition, you can look at whale balance, whale performance, whether or not there's a maximum rate of cabal that you want. If you want projects with absolutely zero fake volume, etc., you can select everything here. So once that's configured, the next thing you do is go back and set up your Maestro bot. So in Maestro, this is the screen you would see, and you should be able to see like 50,000+ monthly users in the Telegram bot. And this will allows you to configure the automatic buys and automatic sells. So you set up your wallets, deposit the SOL, and then you can bridge over the SOL to Ethereum, Base, Binance Smart Chain wallets, etc. Or you just import your private key into the wallets, and then from there, you're up and running immediately. And then once you do that, the next thing you need to do is go into your global settings and then choose what blockchain you want. And then from here, you choose what your automatic buy or automatic sell parameters are, right? So that's how you do it at an individual blockchain global level. And then the same thing with sells. If you want to automatic exit parameters set up through sell limit orders, you click sell limit, click take profit, choose what your percentage would be. So let's say I want to sell 200. Once it gets to 200%, I want to sell 50%, right? So then you click balance. So now it's going to be set, and it confirms on top. It says, so it's saying once it gets to 200%, sell 50%. And then when you're ready to do it, you just add it, and it's on its way. And now it shows take profit at 200%, sell 50%. And if you don't have premium Maestro, then you'll see a timer there, like a duration. So that's how you set up the automatic buys and the automatic sells. And then the last thing you need to do is set up the forwarding. So the forwarding currently we're using an app called Auto Forward Messages. So I've been experimenting with different robotic process automation options, and we're doing everything we can to build this in natively into the Alpha Hunter Telegram bot. And we have some of the functionality built in, but it still can't forward a post from the bot to another bot. Like if you want to send it to BonkBot, or you want to send it to BananaGun Bot, or you want to send it to Maestro Bot, you have to use a third-party forwarding app, and this is what Auto Forward Messages is. So the free plan gives you some limited options, but for now, I have the Platinum plan. So from this setup here, all you need to do is click menu, start, and then from there you have to authenticate your phone number. You have to put the right information in, follow the prompts, authenticate, connect your account to Auto Forward Messages, and then from there you set up the forward task. So you click View Tasks, and then create New Task, and all you do is follow this exact syntax, so this exact format. So it's the example at the bottom. So it's telling you /forward add, let's say Alpha Hunter 1, and then you choose what the source and destination is. So if you're not sure what that is, you click menu, and then you click Get Channel. So Get Channel will tell you a list of the different channels that you're subscribed to. And there's going to be, it depends on how many you're subscribed to and how many Telegram accounts you have. So I have a lot, but basically this is how you would do it, right? And then you see the different channels. And then once you have the channel that you have the exact bot channel, all you do is let's say you just select it. So you just select whatever you want. It gives you the channel ID. So now you know what the source is. Then you got to figure out what the destination is. So then you click Get User, and the Get User will tell you the bot channel. So then you just set up a forwarding task and you're on your way. And that is it. So from there, that should hopefully get you set up and get you up and running with everything.